Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right, everybody's favorite community. The Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge, go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Good morning. Good morning, Bookmaps. Everybody, can you hear me okay? Good morning. All right. Let's get this started. How's everybody doing this morning? Pretty wild price action last night, huh? Goodness. Well, welcome to live RyanMac TWB. Where are we gonna go today? where are we gonna go today? That's the question. $1 million question. We hit a low 68 1 225, and then essentially we just came right back up. Now we're approaching Monday's high. Interesting how we're kind of sitting on the little bit of a rejection for 68.49.25. Hmm. All right, right now, Elite Trader Funding has 20% or 90% off on their one steps. Get a 50K for pretty cheap, about $20.70. All right, let's see. I do have a Lucid account to give away today, but I don't know if the odds are gonna be. I think the odds are gonna be so much in your favor. Let's get the trade run here. And you can pick up 100K for 20 bucks. Not a bad gig for Elite Trader Funding. Go over those details here in a bit, but Lucid's on the ticket right now. Lucid has been a fire. Okay. All right, let's see here. Let's go this way. Let's do this. Okay. We got about 4 minutes before we get started here. I mean, looks like this thing just wants to run up, huh? Or does it? Mm-hmm. Is my mic picking up book maps? Market Pulse, out of curiosity. About 2 minutes here before we get the market going to a more oh man, I should do a poll. Oh, there it is. There's the top right there. Right now I'm using a 100K Elite Trader funding one-step account. Needs 5 days to pass, but that's okay. There is no consistency. We got a target of $6,000. Consistency is key, but that's what I want to do. Whoa.
Order filled. Stop and Q cell. Stop and Q cell. Stop and Q cell. Iceberg ES cell.
Let me just test this out. All right, cool. All right, we're gonna be using one mini open
Stop and
pump.
Q cell.
Looks like we filled this gap here and bounced up.
Stop and Q buy.
Definitely coming up and testing those EMAs, isn't it? All right, let's see what we got here. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for joining me today, this morning, for Open ES. Just got moving good. I think I'm a bit short off that EMA.
Order filled. Fortune and Q sellers. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q sell.
Wanted to take that 200 EMA sell. It's
Stop and Q sell.
we got VWAP down below that we could want to go to and test.
Iceberg ES buy.
Down here at 68.35.75. Put that as my target there. Do have a support at 68.37.
Stop and Q buy. Nice for PS sell. Stop and Q sell. Stop and Q buy.
Oh, no. Wanted to go long. Where's the book map coming in at? Rejecting the standard deviation on the book maps. You're watching book map on the other channels. Gave myself a 5-to-5 risk reward. Maybe a little more on the reward, but 5-point risk with one mini.
Stop and Q buy. Iceberg and Q buy. Iceberg and Q sell. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy. Iceberg and Q sell. Stop and Q buy. Stop ES buy.
Oh, we go higher.
Iceberg stop fill.
Stop filled. They bought the 200 EMA. Check that out. Do a quick call out. Let's see. DK England, if you're still here. Hello. Watermelon Trader. Hello.
Iceberg and Q sell.
Wow, straight to the moon. Goodness gracious. Just
Stop and Q sell.
gave us 7 points, almost 8 points there.
Iceberg
Spike, huh? Just spike, spike, spike.
Stop and Q sell.
Wow, just straight pump up. Nothing holding that back.
Not necessarily, is that where I got a selection? Well, I don't feel like I was going anywhere. So I got a job at a travel agency. Now I know I'll be going places.
Absorption and Q buyers.
Well, on that note, I'm gonna take a quick
Stop
break.
and
I
Q
gotta
buy.
get some kid duty going here. School. Make sure that everybody's running up and running for school real quick. Be right back.
did the hat save the scarf? You can hang around. I'll just go on ahead.
Iceberg and QBuy. Iceberg and QBuy.
Right back to the 200 EMA. Go figure. Of course it would do that. Let's try another sell.
Stock and QBuy.
See if we can catch it at the 20-ish.
Order filled.
We're in. Come back down to the VWAP. Let's see if it does that. If you're joining us just recently, we were short at 68, 48, 25 on the ES. We got
Why did the banana go to the doctor? Not feeling well.
got a good pump out to start the day, and then we're just kind of fading back here to where the pump began. So gotta just pay attention to this area right here at 68, 45, 50.
Stock and QBuy.
Are they gonna come back and rebuy it back up? It looks that way. Or are we gonna come back and retest the 200 and break that, come to the VWAP?
Stock and QSell.
Oh, patience is the game with the ES on the regular trading hours, but once it gets in a direction, decides to move that way, it goes that way.
Stock and QSell. Stock ESL.
I'm gonna do the Lucid giveaway at the top of the hour. I'm
Stock and
gonna start talking about that in about 4 minutes. Give a 10-minute review of the account. What do we got here? I mean, there's only 6 of you, so the odds are pretty good. Why the quality is.
Stop and queue buy.
200 EMA tap. Bounce. Needed to reject the 20 EMA it's coming up to right now, but anybody in a trade?
Iceberg and queue buy. Iceberg and queue buy.
What's keeping me green? There we go. We're back to the VWAP. Right here, the VWAP is at roughly 68.39.50. He's in that 200 EMA to go lower. I have a feeling this thing is going to dump off. Get past the VWAP. Back to the mean. Move my TP down here to 68.37.50. All right, today's broadcast is sponsored by Lucid. We got 50K Pro.
Stop and
They
queue
got a
buy.
really nice setup. It's if no one's ever traded a Lucid account, this one, you know, this setup, the Pro setup is real nice. It's, you know, the eval takes 1 day to trade. Okay.
Stop and queue buy.
End of day drawdown. They only have a daily loss limit of 1,200 bucks, and you can use 4 minis, which size is decent. Get a real-time dashboard. Obviously, you can pass in as little as a day, and 5 days to have $100 minimum to make a payout request after you hit the threshold. But one thing I really like about Lucid is that they, when you pass your account, as soon as it registers to the dashboard, you can upgrade to a sim funded within the hour. So it's really kind of one of those situations where you pass immediately goes to a sim funded account, and life is grand. You get your funded account right then and there. You trade it for 5 days, you pass your threshold. You do have a 35% consistency, but you know, you got to get above that threshold first before you can take a withdrawal, and then make $100 a day to make a withdrawal. So I really like them. You can type Lucid in the chat.
Absorption and Q sellers. Stop and Q buy. Stop and Q buy.
For our link there. Let's see here. We got a little pump back up. I think I'm interested in holding this, maybe. See if we can't come back to the 200 EMA. And all right, so what do we do here? We got 5 of you watching. We're gonna be giving away a Lucid account. What do we do? Nice, we broke that 200 EMA.
Stop ESL.
Coming right back down to the VWAP. I'm not liking this video stream.
Iceberg and Q buy. Stop ESL.
The latency was a little lower than I hoped to get it at, but give you guys an hour here. I'm gonna get this Lucid account. Taken care of. To receive the Lucid account, you have to join the Discord if you're not a part of the Discord already. So I'll tell you what.
Iceberg and Q buy.
You guys are all paying attention. Can you hear me? Everybody hear me? Get the chat going. In a winning trade right now. We got one mini. We're up $360-ish right now at the VWAP. We're still pushing lower. Need to get my charts. I need to get this video. Need to do something about these settings.
Iceberg ES buy. Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg ES sell.
Trying to think here. Oh, yeah. Let me check the Nightbot.
Iceberg ES sell. Iceberg and Q buy. Iceberg and Q buy. Stop and Q buy.
Can't do it that way. All right, let's see who's paying attention. First person to type Discord in the chat wins the Lucid account giveaway, 50K Pro. I only got 4 of you in here, so if you're paying attention, type the Discord in, because that'd be your ticket to get it.
Stop and Q sell.
Well, if anyone heard me. All right, then. Nobody heard me. Nobody paying attention. Nobody watching. All right. Well, RM trades one. All right. I'm gonna risk manage this. I'm gonna pull my stop into. Break even.
Stop and Q buy.
Stop filled.
Stop and Q
That
buy.
happens. Bounce off the VWAP. Well, I'm still working on this, still trying to figure this out exactly how this all comes together. But it is currently top of the hour. I hope you all have a great night tonight, a great day. I'll be back on the NQ stream. Try it again. So
Stop and Q buy.
I'm gonna call it for the morning shift here. So thank you for watching. Much appreciated. Shout out to my children.
Bookmaps, 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 bookmaps,
Iceberg and Q sell.
bookmaps. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmap's community. It's the Think with Bookmap's community, man.
Stop ES buy. Absorption and Q buy. Iceberg and Q sell.